In this video, I will show you how to remove a stock from a pie on Trading 212. To do this, first you want to go open up the pie. Now since the recent update, that means that you need to scroll up this bar right here and you will find your pies, but I think they're rolling back the previous version where you will find it down here. But just go to your pie and open up the pie where you want to remove a holding. So for example, I'll take the one at the top. Then at the top here you want to click on holdings, and then once you click edit pie, you will see all of the positions in this pie. Now if I want to remove Duolingo for example, what I would do is click on the X right there above 3% and then click remove. Now I've removed Duolingo. Now you just need to make sure that the rest of your positions come out to 100%. So for example, I could change ASML to 18% here, and then I would be back at 100. Then just click confirm. And from there I've now removed it, and now what you can do is click rebalance, and then you will see what happens. So it will now sell the Duolingo, as you can see at the bottom, and it will buy some more ASML. So that's basically how you can remove a stock from a pie on Trading 212. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.